beautiful expo here at a beautiful facility. Seen a lot of incredible things.
It has been an amazing turnout, getting to talk to masons and landscapers and all types of different contractors that come to the show.
We've made great connections both with vendors and with contractors. It's been great for us. We've had a great experience here today.
As a person coming in here, you will have a plethora of vendors to learn from that are integrating landscaping and hardscaping and all sorts of different technologies. Coming here as someone who's interested in the field, you'll learn a lot.
Always like to bring our new employees to these events to catch them up on new trends, meet some of the vendors as well. Yeah, just enjoy the day together outside of our normal work day.
I think it's great to get all the contractors in the area together to kind of meet, see the different products that are going on, take some time in the winter to just see what is coming up next year.
They have all different types of breakout sessions, learning opportunities. You get to talk to different vendors about the products that they have that can help support your business and help drive customer satisfaction.
You know, we could be the best installer out there, but it's important to have integrity in our products. And here at the Expo, we create a relationship with those product reps, and that's super important.